risky. That late. Oh, that's left turn only, your lane. Lane change. So the traffic queue, nope, other way. Car's built up a nice collection of parking tickets. One wheel in the parking area and put your hazards on. Parking 101. Thank you.
Pretty well, it's cleared up on our motorways. A couple of road closures to be mindful of from 10 o'clock. Peter Street from South Mill Street to Mount Street is going to be closed. It's in preparation for the state visit of the Chinese president, so that's something to bear in mind. And everything is spoken.
No point shaking your head, mate. If you can't overtake, then don't overtake. No, just keep going if you like. Who's lucky? You're trying to overtake when you can't overtake. I would need to look in front.
Joining us to talk about a brand new book in his life and a lot of the stuff that he's done both in and out of sport. And I'm actually on to that. And it can be. I mean, I've seen the for instance, and I mentioned talking to Ali earlier, watching Siobhan win the Saddleworth Olympics swimming competition when she was about 11 or 12, and I was screaming like it was the Olympics. Watching the Olympics in 2012, I've never watched as much sport over a period of time as I did then. It was incredible. Murray winning at Wimbledon. England for me in '66, if I could only have one particular moment. United in 1999, watching Howard Dillon play rugby, and from a personal point of view, playing for Bury for the reserves for a season, I think 18.